Hello and welcome to Design Guy. Want to wow your designs? I'll show you awesome ways to make your text pop in Canva. Click Create, then choose Custom Size from the options. Enter 200 by 200 pixels as your dimensions. This sets up your workspace to the exact size you need. Browse the available apps here to find useful tools for your needs. Select a text generator to easily create unique and engaging text samples. Experiment with different options to discover styles that suit your project, and customize the generated text to match your preferences and specific requirements. Open Text Art Maker. In the main field, type your desired text. After entering your text, click the Draw button to generate your text art. Review the output to ensure it appears as expected. You can also add an image sample by selecting one of the available options. Click on the desired image to insert it into your project. This allows you to easily include visual examples and enhance your content. Choose the image that best fits your needs to continue. To add the Define Yes Yes design, first, navigate to your design workspace and select the Add Design option from the top toolbar. In the search field, type Define Yes Yes and press Enter. Locate the correct design from the results, then click to select it. The design will appear on your canvas. You can now resize or reposition it as needed before saving or continuing with your next design steps. To add a bit more filter to your data, first, navigate to your filter panel. Click on the Add Filter button, then choose the filter type you want from the drop-down menu. Customize the filter settings by selecting your preferred criteria, such as date range or specific categories. Once you've made your selections, click Apply to update your data view. Repeat these steps if you want to add additional filters for more refined results in your dataset. Click the Insert tab, then select Pictures. Choose your desired crowd image from your files, and click Insert to add it directly to your document. Let's add a gradient and place it inside a frame. First, select your object on the canvas. Next, open the Fill options and change the fill type to Gradient. Adjust the gradient colors as needed. Now, with the object still selected, navigate to the top menu and click Frame to wrap the object in a new frame. This organizes your design elements more effectively and maintain structure. To add this item, start by navigating to the top right corner of your dashboard. Click the Add button to open the menu. From here, select New Item. A setup window will appear. Enter a title for your new item in the name field. Next, choose the category that best fits your item from the drop-down menu. You can also include a brief description in the notes section to provide additional context. If your item needs to be assigned to a specific person or team, click the Assign button and select the appropriate user from the list. Set a due date by clicking the calendar icon and picking your desired deadline. Before saving, review all entered information to ensure accuracy. When you're satisfied, explore the variety of elements available here to enhance your project. These elements include images, icons, shapes, and graphics, all designed to help you customize your work. To get started, browse through the element library on the left side of the screen. Use the search bar at the top to quickly find specific items by typing in keywords. When you find an element you like, click to add it directly to your canvas. Once added, you can move, resize, or rotate the element as needed. To change the color or adjust other settings, use the options in the toolbar above. Experiment with different combinations to create unique designs that fit your vision. Remember, layering elements can help add depth and interest to your finished. After completing your design, click the Share button. Select Download and choose PNG as the file format to save your image. To improve the image quality, increase the number of pixels. Higher pixel values result in clearer, more detailed images suitable for various uses and printing needs. You just leveled up your text effects in Canva. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.